mRNA vaccines put out to people on a mass scale?
mRNA is messenger RNA. It's a message that's being sent from your DNA to your cells, telling your cells what to do to maintain health. In this case, create a protein, do something to defend a foreign invader. But in this case, that messenger RNA is not coming from your DNA. It's coming from a laboratory at Moderna or Pfizer. It's basically a computer program, a code, a message that's being sent to your cells and telling your cells to become a virus manufacturing plant.
What this is designed to do is deliver this messenger RNA molecule, which is the code for a protein, into our cells, and it has a special envelope that merges with our cells and delivers the contents inside. And then once inside, it will use the machinery of our cells and make that foreign protein. So our cells will essentially become factories to make a foreign protein.
That's what this vaccine does. It makes your own cells the enemy. It makes your cells start creating, very specifically, the spike protein we've all heard about of SARS-CoV-2. And then what happens is, hopefully, there's a secondary response where the immune system says, oh my God, there's a virus in here. It didn't see it come from the outside. All of a sudden, our own cells are creating it. So our immune system attacks and kills our own cells that are now manufacturing the virus inside of our bodies. That is brand new. And look, I'm a fan of science. That may be the future of health and immunity, but you don't take a technology that is turning your body into a virus manufacturing plant and then just say, hey, we've looked at it for a few weeks, we think it's good to go, and then have hundreds of millions of people start turning themselves into virus manufacturing plants. Any technology that does something brand new inside of our bodies needs to be watched for years, if not decades.
So the truth is that we don't know exactly what this technology is going to induce our bodies to make. And that is a very scary proposition. But it definitely will change our cells so that they will produce this protein. But it stands to reason that that mRNA can easily become part of our DNA in the nucleus as well. And this is because we have an enzyme expressed in our cells called reverse transcriptase. Now, during the HIV era, it was thought that this enzyme was only expressed in viruses. But since that time, and actually during that time, it was really known, and David Baltimore discovered this, that reverse transcriptase, the enzyme, is expressed in all of our cells. And it's a way that we repair our DNA. And so it's quite likely that this mRNA gene can be reverse transcribed into DNA, which can then become part of our nuclear DNA, and then when our cells divide, it could be passed on to the next generation of cells.